Okay, I'm gonna drill a hole in the back with an 1.25" bit. We use 1/2" flex, and 1 1/8" works, but it's still a little tight, so I went the 1.25". So drill a hole, an 1.25" hole in the back, and the reason we can is because we've got the extra room back there. You wanna show them that? Back in the back. We can go back there and in there. So that's where we're gonna bring up our flex in, and I'll show you that when we do that here in a sec. So here, I'll show you this hole back here. Okay, so I come up about this height or so and off to the side a little bit so we can strap it and drill a hole. Okay. And there's my hole. We'll show them that. Okay, and drill, a hole right there. The flex will come through that, and then this is the part I want to show is, okay. Then since we have this space back here, let me see the camera, can I? Since we have the space back here, guys, I'm gonna see, here's the other side of our hole in the cabinet. Okay, so what we're gonna do is they've got this little dummy space back here. I'm gonna bring our wire up through it so that we don't have to have it in flex for the outlet over there, but we will have to have it here going into the cabinet. So I'm gonna just right below the hole, down and through the floor. Here's the hardwood floor with my 1.25" bit. I'm just gonna drill it back in just a little bit so you don't see it, and I'm going to drill a hole. Oh, come on. Okay, now that goes down into the basement to where our wire's right there running through the hole. There's our wire that we put in on the rough end and left it there for it to come up through here. Because for the outlet, you want to tell them you would have had to have come off of one of them GFIs before the sheetrock on the rough end, like we showed them on the rough end once. You would have came out of the last outlet in the kitchen. You would have went GFI and then to another outlet right down there, the dining, and then out of the last one, and then you would have came out and left a wire down there for the outlet for this island. And then we'll show you the next step.